Want to know how much interest your money can earn in seconds? So let's write a short Python program to find the simple interest. It's easier than you think. Okay. So we're going to calculate the simple interest in Python, just 4 lines of code here. Let's get started. So here I'm creating a variable called principal. Principal equals float. I'm calling a float functions. Then I'll be taking a input from the user. Enter enter the principal amount. Here we go. Then I'm giving it the second one, that is the rate. We have it here. Rate equals float again. Now the input functions, because to take the input from the user here, then enter the rate of interest. Rate of interest. Here we go. Close the brackets. Enter. Now I'm giving it for the time. So time equals float input. Enter the time in years. So here we go. Let me close the brackets here. So now I'm writing a formula, that is simple interest underscore interest equals principal principal into rate into, thus we are going to multiply here time. Okay. And it is divided by 100. So this is our formula. We have it here. Okay. Now I'm going to print it here. Print the simple interest is, so call this variable here which we have created. Okay. So let me just copy and paste it here, comma. Let me close the bracket. So here we go. Done. Let me run here. So here there is a two-way of running. So either you can click on the shift and enter, and here also you can click on the run button. So you can when you click on this button, you can run this self. Okay. So I am giving a principal amount as 1,000. Okay. The rate of interest is 5%, and the time is 2 years. Okay, let's calculate. So the simple interest is 100 years. The output will be hundreds, and that's how easily we can calculate a simple interest using Python. So I hope you found this video helpful and easy to understand. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon so you don't miss my upcoming Python tutorials. Also, comment down below what topic do you want me to cover next in Python. So I love reading your ideas and turning them into tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.